What's up guys, this is Ronnie. Welcome back to tutorial 4, and today I'll be going to talk about how to set dimension for bokeh plot. So till now whatever you have seen, it is kind of default dimension, but in this tutorial we'll see how to provide custom dimension for your plot. So dimension means height and width. For example, suppose you want to create a plot 400 by 400, means width and height wise it is 400 pixel from your desktop or the unit, whatever system you are using. So this is very simple, very easy, but again without having this sort of knowledge, you will not be able to master or create some sort of nice looking chart in the advanced and intermediate. Like when you are going to start intermediate and advanced tutorial, this simple things are going to help you. Okay, so that is why I just created a single tutorial for every topic and try to put this thing more or less use case specific. Then it will be easier for you guys to apply those things in other use cases as well. Okay, so what is bokeh? I'm not going to cover that. So for more information on the bokeh, I'll highly recommend you guys to spend some time, maybe 10-15 minutes or maybe more than that, if you are having that time complexity, sorry, not time complexity, if you are not having any time constraint, then you can provide maybe more than half an hour time as well. If you are really interested and serious to learn about some like interactive dashboard application, how to develop, how to master all those things, then probably you can start doing this thing now. Okay, and what is plot dimension? So again, this thing is actually taken from the bokeh official documentation. So whatever is written, I'm just going to explain this thing. The dimension is actually consists of width and height of a plot are controlled by plot width and plot height attributes. So when you are going to use the figure method, inside the figure method, till now we haven't used any keyword argument, but you can use this keyword arguments, but this is known as an attribute. So within that attribute you can set this thing. So these values are the screen unit, as I told you, whatever system you are using, maybe you are using big screen, small screen, depending on that it will be going to be one unit, and they control the size of the intercurves area. Okay, but excluding the toolbar, means inside a bokeh in the right hand side you always see a toolbar, means the tool pan, which is having zoom, some sort of save and other options are there. This is actually not going to control by the dimension. So the toolbar is altogether in a different thing. Only the area where actually your plot is being displayed, that will be controlled by using plot width and plot height attributes. So enough of talking guys. So what I'll do, I'll just going to create the code, then it will be easier to understand. Okay, so where is that? Okay, I believe this one, right? Okay, so let me create a name of this thing, tutorial 4, and how to set dimensions for dimensions of a bokeh plot. Okay, that's it. Let's create something. Okay, so it will be from bokeh dot plotting. What happened? Bokeh dot plotting. So import figure. I'll be going to load everything from a separate HTML file, so I'm not going to use bokeh.io. So it will be figure, then it should be show, and it should be output file. Okay, and like this, and after that let's create something p, or maybe test underscore plot. Okay, and after that we'll create figure, and let me write set the plot dimension. Okay, so what will happen now? So it will be plot underscore height equals to, let's say, 200, and plot underscore width equals to 400. Okay, and after that test underscore plot dot line. Okay, here it will be 2, 4, 6, 8, same thing whatever we did last time, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, simple. And after that what we'll do, we'll just use this output underscore file. So maybe you can write tutorial dot html. So it should be tutorial3.html, and in the show method we'll pass this output, this test plot. What happened? I was trying to write it here. Okay, so let's run this thing. We'll see one new HTML window tab will be open, and inside that this file will be loaded, and we'll get the plot. So let's run this thing. So it is working, it's loading. So if you see, let me just keep it thing here. So if you see, it is 200 by 200. So 200 by 400, width-wise it is 400. So if I open this thing, width-wise this is 400, it is 200. So what I'll do now, I'll just try to change something here. Okay, and we'll try to reload again. Okay, so what I'll do, we'll make this thing a bit bigger, maybe 600, and try to load this thing again. Okay, see, it is getting increased. Okay, so in this way you can set this. We'll do some more this thing. So maybe I can create another plot. Okay, see, it got increased like height wise, and the remain. So this is very handy when you want to put some sort of plots in grid. Maybe it will be easier to understand when we're going to, or when we're working on the data driven application, or where we're going to sort of interactive boards. So that time this dimension grid and other things will be going to and it is also easily used. It will be also helpful master and expertise this. You already have it. So I complete thing like data science specialization, and after that you started working in this thing, and for them coding is kind of difficult. So I'm just put this thing. Actually I got so many requests that I should create this tutorial in a single just okay. So series and feedback. If you want content things is that show, please try to all the yes. Okay, so practice. What videos is not going to help you practice as well. Okay, so that's it guys, we'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a nice day.